Good morning guys. Time check 5:09 ng umaga. Ayan. It's Sunday guys. It's rainy Sunday. Maulan ngayon guys. 5:09 pa ng morning guys. It's Sunday. Ayan. Good morning everyone. Ito guys, nakapatong na yung mga halaman ko. Before, hindi, di ba? Kaya nakapatong na siya. Meron na siyang steel. May bakal na So, ito lang guys for today's mini vlog. Maulan. It's raining. It's rainy season na guys. Rainy season. Thank you for watching guys. Hello, good morning lizard. Giniginaw ka yata Maulan this morning.